Hi dear friends, welcome to S4 Shanya's science classes. Today we are with another important topic of class 10 chemistry, how to make electron dot structure of ionic compounds especially. This is one of the very important topic of board exam, mostly asking question either the electron dot structure of ionic compounds or the covalent compounds, that means from metal and non-metal chapter or from carbon and compounds chapter, right? So today we are going to discuss about mainly the ionic compound, which is actually the part of metal and non-metal, right? So we will discuss that, what are the type of questions and how to solve that, and some of the examples from the previous year's board exams question pattern also I will discuss it, so that you will aware of the type of questions, you can easily understand and you can easily solve it. So let's start the video. So these are the most common questions you can see in your board exam, right? Write the electron dot structure of sodium chloride. Electron dot structure, what is this? First you have to understand that, then only you can do this, how you can draw the electron dot structure of sodium chloride, right? Sometimes such questions can also come. Show the formation of magnesium chloride by transfer of electrons. These all questions are actually aiming only one point, that means you have to draw the electron dot structure. So the question can ask either write the electron dot structure of sodium chloride, or sometimes they will ask the show the formation of magnesium chloride, right? So whatever the compound is that, show the formation by transfer of electrons. So what it means, transfer of electrons, you have to show it, that means it is electron dot structure. So first identify the question properly, then only you can do, right? So next we are going to discuss what you mean by electron dot structure. First we have to understand that, right? Then only you can do that, right? So electron dot structure, that means in this electrons are showing as a dot. Sometimes you can see that the question can ask as draw the Lewis structure or Lewis electron dot structure. That's the actual name, right? So because it was a scientist Lewis who actually formulated this, so that's why Lewis electron dot structure, either Lewis structure. Some students have a confusion, what do you mean by Lewis structure? It's nothing but it's actually the electron dot structure itself. So that's why I have mentioned that also. Clear, right? Now the definition is not at all asking anywhere, but fir bhi you have to understand that, right? So because you have to understand what is that electron dot structure, that matlab kya hai, that you have to understand, then only you can do that properly, right? So it is nothing but it is a representation of elements with valence electron. Remember valence electron, yeah? You have to specify that valence electrons only, right, as dots. So I am mentioning some word here, some points especially here, right? जो points मैंने इधर mention कर रही है, देख लो valence electrons. Next मैंने उसको point out किया था dots, right? So that's very important point, right? ये इसकी portion की सबसे important point है, तो आप याद रख लेना. हम electron dot structure में पूरा electrons show नहीं करेगी, सिर्फ valence electrons. We will show only valence electrons and which is as a dots, right? So around the elements, and it is actually referred to as electron dot structure. I have given some examples here. Sodium, right? Sodium, first for drawing electron dot structure you have to understand the atomic number of the compound, otherwise you have to know that the valency. Either you know the atomic number, you can easily find out the valency by just writing the electronic configuration itself, then you will get it. Otherwise you have to know the valency, right? So here sodium atomic number 211, that's electronic configuration 281. So what we have to show, not 2, 8 and 1, all the electrons we don't have to show. So that's why again I am mentioning in electron dot structure only we will mention about the valence electron, only valence electron, which must be mentioned as dots. Remember that, right? So sodium, how will you mention that? How will you show that, right? So only outermost shell, one electron is there. So this is the electron dot structure of sodium. What about oxygen? Oxygen, there is 8 electrons are, that means actually atomic number 8, that means electrons also 8, right? Protons are 8 and electrons also 8. So how will you write the electronic configuration here? You have to write 2, 6, right? So that means you have to show the valence electron. Valence electrons matlab outermost shell में कितना electrons होती है, that's called valence electrons, right? So here you have to show 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the electron dot structure of oxygen. What about chlorine? 17 atomic number, 2, 8 and 7. That's the electron configuration. Valence electron 7. So you have to show that 7. 1, that's actually chlorine, right? You can show it as dots, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is it, right? Now what about magnesium? Magnesium atomic number 12. You have to do that 2, 8, 2, right? So here magnesium, you have to show that only 2 electrons, either in the same side or in the opposite side, whatever it is. The side you can decide. Whenever electron compound formation is there, that you can easily understand how the transfer is there, then you will understand how where you have to put the dots properly. That means the electrons properly, right? So we will go for some more examples how the formation of compounds are taking place. This is not that much common. They can ask that draw the electron dot structure of sodium, oxygen. They can ask for sure. It's already asked also, but most probably they are asking the formation of a compound. So we will have a look into that, then you will understand. So here I have given 2 examples already, NaCl and an MgCl2. So first what you have to do, you have to write that, right? You have to draw the electron dot structure. So what you have to do, you have to write the atomic number. Sodium atomic number is 11. So you have to do that 2, 8, 1. So that means outermost shell 1 electron is there. You have to show that. So next I will draw about that chlorine also, then I will continue that. Chlorine, that's actually atomic number 17, 2, 8, 7. So outermost shell you have to show that 7 electrons here, right? Now I am going to draw it. Light, you can see here. So right, so here only 1 electron I am showing this side. What about chlorine? So NaCl formation you have to show. So Na plus Cl, when you are writing your equation, you are writing like that. Na plus Cl gives NaCl, right? The same format you have to follow. Na, 1 electron. Either you can draw it and dot itself, but whenever you are showing 2 different elements, you can even use cross also, right? So here I am using 1 dot and another one is cross, right? But in some books you can see that that's actually represented by dot itself also. There is no problem, you can use that some crosses also. That's also a method, you can see that, right? So it's not a big issue that whether name is Lewis electron dot structure, so either you can use dots itself. That's not a big deal in that, right? You can see here. So even you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, so that you can understand which is actually sodiums and which is actually chlorine one. That's why I have used 2 different one. I told already you can simply show that dots only, right? That also a correct method itself, right? Now I have to show that the transfer of electrons. Yeah, I have already told you about that previous question. You can see here, right? Write the electron dot structure, that's it. Second, you have to show the transfer of electron. So you have to show that properly, right? So here you can see that I am showing the transfer of electron here, because you know that outermost shell 1 electron is there. For completing octet it has to lose its electron, and for chlorine for completing octet it need 1 electron, so it will gain that electron that you are actually showing, right? Now the equation Na plus Cl gives NaCl. So what you have to show here, 1 electron gone, so what is the charge? Positive charge. What about chlorine here? Chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and it got 1 electron. So that means total it got a minus charge, right? Now it become NaCl, right? So if you want you can mention here Na plus Cl gives NaCl. This is it, right? So that also if you want to show you can show that. Now I will not put any plus here in between because now it become NaCl together, right? So that's the formation. What about MgCl2, right? So here you have to know the atomic number of magnesium. Magnesium atomic number 12. Write the electronic configuration 2, 8, 2. So that means you have to show that valence shell 2 electrons, right? Either if you don't know that atomic number and all, but you know the valency, you can directly attempt. But if you know everything properly, so this is the correct way to do that. Then you will get for each and every steps only few seconds it will take. According to that marks you will get it properly, right? So here magnesium, if you are showing, right? So 2 electrons only you have to show, and 1, 2. What about chlorine? You can see here chlorine, the atomic number 17, right? So here 2, 8, 7. Look students, here this is needing only one electron. It need only one electron to complete octet, but magnesium has to lose 2 electron, then only the octet configuration it will get. दैट मीन्स मैग्नीशियम को 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस किया है तब भी उसको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑक्टेट कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मिल जाएगा, बट क्लोरीन को तो एक ही चाहिए. उसमें से आपको समझ में आएगा here there are 2 chlorine is there, right? So here equation already given, the formula already given, magnesium MgCl2. So you can easily understand that chlorine actually it is 2, there are 2 chlorine is there, right? But why I am mentioning it specially because sometimes ये formula नहीं देती है, they will give you magnesium chloride की formation दिखाओ, magnesium chloride की. So आपको formula बनाना that chahiye, you have to make the formula. You know that in classes, smaller classes, class 9 and all, you are learning how to make the formula, then it will be better. Otherwise also you can do, right? So if you just think about the formula, right? अभी formula दिया है, कुछ लोगों को जब भी मैग्नीशियम की वैलेंसी पता नहीं है तब क्या करेगा? So that also there is a trick for that, right? What to do? बेटा आपको पता है जब भी formula बनती है क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न में, इसका वैलेंसी इधर और इसका वैलेंसी इधर, ऐसे तो बनती है, राइट? सो दैट ऑल्सो आपको वैलेंसी ऑटोमेटिकली मिल गई. तो फॉर्मूला दिया है तो आपको इसका वैलेंसी फॉर एग्जांपल पता नहीं है तो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बना सकती है आसानी से. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग ऑल द ट्रिक्स फॉर दैट, राइट? इफ आपको इतना नेम दिया है उसमें से फॉर्मूला बनाना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए तो आपको वैलेंसी वगैरह यूज़ करना है. बट इफ़ इट इज़ फॉर्मूला गिवन, आपको किसका भी मैग्नीशियम फॉर एग्जांपल मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड में एक की वैलेंसी आपको पता है, क्लोरीन की पता है, बट मैग्नीशियम की पता नहीं है, तो क्या करूँ? तो आपको सिर्फ इतना ही सोचना है, इसका वैलेंसी हम जब भी फॉर्मूला बनाती है, राइट? सो यू कैन सी दैट द क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न में बनाती है, तो इसका है आप इधर लिख रही है तो मैग्नीशियम की वैलेंसी ऑटोमेटिकली आपको मिल गया और क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी आपको पता है 1 हम लिखती नहीं है, राइट? एंड अनदर थिंग इज दैट कितना क्लोरीन चाहिए वो भी आपको इधर से आइडिया मिल जाएगा, बिकॉज आपको 2 क्लोरीन चाहिए, वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा फ्रॉम द सेम फॉर्मूला इटसेल्फ. वी विल डू सम मोर एग्जांपल, देन यू विल हैव ए क्लियर आइडिया अबाउट दिस, राइट? सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू शो 2 क्लोरीन, राइट? आई एम यूजिंग डॉट इटसेल्फ, देन इट विल बी मोर क्लियर, राइट? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? 7, right? One more chlorine, 1 2 3 4 5 6, I'm making it dark, right? And 7, right? Like it. So what to do? Transfer of electron. Now plus, right? Transfer of electron you have to show, one here, the other one here, right? Now the equation, because you have to complete the equation, Mg plus Cl2 gives Mg 2 electron loss, 2 plus. Now Cl, है ना? Cl, what you have to do, either 2 Cl, that's actually here in between that will be more that now if you are adding here 2, that's somewhat inconvenient, that's not the correct. Sometimes you can, or if you are putting in the bracket you can do that, right? If you are putting it in the bracket 2, you can just actually minus likho, right? Because chlorine, please don't write it. This is also one method, but better what you have to do, right? Cl, right? You can show it 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So here that comes at the cross, if you can easily understand here which is actually coming what, but when you are doing like this it cannot be understood. That's why I have used that method, right? So here what you have to do, give the bracket, just write 2 here and here minus 1. So from this you can easily understand there are 2 atoms of chlorine and 1 chlorine valence is -1. Some students what they are doing the mistake mostly, they will write this like this, Mg2 plus and Cl, right? So they will easily write it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 2 minus. This is entirely wrong. Remember that chlorine की valency -1 है, तो there are 2 atoms of chlorine is there. So that's why ये नीचे लिखना ज़रूरी है. So please don't do this mistake, right? So that's why I have mentioned that too. Now You can see that I am taking next example, right? We will do more example. Most commonly asked elements की example मैंने इधर mention कर रही है, so that will be really helpful if you are practicing. But again I'm telling, simply watching this video will not help you. So what you have to do, you understand this, along with you take the piece of paper and pen, then do yourself, practice yourself. Right, so don't be that by heart all these things, practice yourself, then only it will be helpful for you, right? So here magnesium, again magnesium atomic number 12, 282, oxygen atomic number 8, 26, right? What you have to do, magnesium formation Mg, right? You have to show that 2, 1, 2. Now what is that oxygen? Oxygen outermost is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because you can see that here it has to lose 2 and it has to gain that 2, then only here octet will be completed. देख लो बेटा, इधर मैग्नीशियम को 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस करना है एंड हियर ऑक्सीजन को 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चाहिए, तभी उसका ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करो. बट पहले में आप देख लो, क्लोरीन को सिर्फ 8 चाहिए थी, इसलिए हमने 2 क्लोरीन ले लिया है. बट हियर यू कैन सी दैट हियर यू आर टेकिंग ओनली 1 ऑक्सीजन, राइट? तो इसलिए मैंने बता दिया था, वो सबको आपको ईजिली बाय प्रैक्टिस इटसेल्फ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. मैग्नीशियम को 2 देना है तो उधर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वैकेंसी वाला चाहिए, नहीं तो आपको 2 एटम्स लेना पड़ेगा. दैट्स ओनली द थिंग, राइट? सो अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, इफ यू डोंट नो that the formula or anything, you have to learn that the formula, that will be better. but बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं है, थोड़ा सा आप tricks वगैरह use कर सकते हैं, which I have mentioned already, right? Now what you have to do, you have to transfer this 1 electron here, another one here. Now the equation Mg2 plus, right? And what about here? Oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 minus. Why I am putting 2 minus? Because oxygen की valency 2 minus ही है, right? Before Cl minus नीचे 2 लिखा है because chlorine की valency -1 था. Now this is actually formation of MgO by transferring electrons. Sometimes they are asking that show the ions present here. So what are the ions here? Mg2 plus and oxygen 2 minus. That's the ions. What about Na2O? Another example we are going that. Na2O, Na atomic number 11, right? So 2, 8, 1, right? You have to show that Na outermost electron 1, right? So O, right? Oxygen, you can see that again oxygen you have to mention that, right? Electronic configuration 2, 6, right? Here you can see that here which one will be 2, that you can see here, automatically understood, right? I know that so many students are giving the answer also, they understood, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. बेटा देख लो, इधर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन की ज़रूरत है, तब भी वो कंप्लीट होगा. Na सिर्फ एक ही दे सकती है, तो दैट मीन्स इट नीड 2 Na. सो मैंने ऑलरेडी बता दिया था, ये इसमें से आपको समझ में आएगा, राइट? एंड हियर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दैट इधर +1 है, तो हम इधर कुछ नहीं मेंशन करते, इधर -2, तो दैट इज एक्चुअली मेंशनिंग हियर. फ्रॉम दैट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न फॉर्मूला लिखने के लिए, राइट? वो नहीं है तो भी आपको इधर समझ में आएगा 2 Na चाहिए, राइट? फ्रॉम द फॉर्मूला इट्सेल्फ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. दीस आर द माइनर ट्रिक्स यू कैन यूज, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स यू आर शोइंग वन मोर, राइट? ये दिखाओ इधर, राइट? नाउ द इक्वेशन Na, राइट? अगेन हियर नॉट +2, आपको क्या करना है, +1 नहीं है, बट एक्चुअली ब्रैकेट में 2 लगाना है, राइट? समटाइम्स यू कैन पुट दैट 2 हियर ऑल्सो, देयर इज नो रॉन्ग इन दैट, राइट? बट इट्स कन्वीनियंट, आपको इट विल बी ईजी, राइट? नीचे लिख लिया तो बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि हमने इक्वेशंस में भी नीचे ही लिख रहे हैं ना, तो दैट्स वाई इट विल बी मोर ईजी, दैट्स वाई. तो बच्चों को कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होना है, इट विल बी मोर ईजी. नाउ आई हैव टू शो द ऑक्सीजन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 completed, right? So here 2 minus, right? So is that clear, right? Because why it is 2 minus? उसको तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन मिल गया, 2 दे दिया, मीन्स किसी ने किधर से मिल गया, 2 एटम्स ऑफ दैट ना सोडियम दिया है, बट इसको तो 2 मिल गया ना, तो इट हैज़ टू 2 minus itself. Now we will go for 2 more examples for making it clear. Somewhat more complex examples I am taking. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium atomic number 13, right? Mostly 20 तक की पूछती है, because you know that class 10 में 20 तक only you have to learn that, so that much only they are asking. Here electronic configuration 2 8 and 3, chlorine you can see that chloride, oxide, chloride वगैरह पूछा है, that's actually the element itself, right? So here 17 है atomic number 287. That means it need only 1 electron to complete octet. इधर इसको 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस करना है, then only octet मिलेगा. That means इधर कितना क्लोरीन चाहिए, you have to इधर 3 क्लोरीन चाहिए. तो इधर आपको मैंने इसलिए तो इधर आपको नाम ले लिया है. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट द दैट ना फॉर्मूला, देन ओनली यू कैन डू दिस. तो आपको कैसे इधर आपको वैलेंसी होना पता चलना चाहिए. एल्यूमिनियम की वैलेंसी +3 है, राइट. ऑक्सीजन की वैलेंसी -2 है. तो आपको आराम से क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न में लिखो इसका इधर और ये इधर. तो इसका फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा Al2O3. ये पता है तो आराम से लिख सकती है, राइट. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट Al2O3, राइट. So sorry students, I have taken about that aluminum oxide. Here the question is aluminum chloride, right. So that's my mistake, sorry. I will correct it. In that case also we can draw that. I will draw it, but sorry, it's my mistake. I will surely correct it. Yes, here I am taking aluminum chloride, right. So you can see that aluminum, right. So +3 है, chlorine -1, right. So criss cross pattern में आप लिखो the same pattern, right. So what it is actually, here you can see that Al, chlorine की तो -1, it not need to AlCl3, right. So क्यों इसका आपने इधर लिखेगा, इधर क्रिस क्रॉस पैटर्न. इसमें से आपको इसलिए समझ में आएगा कितना क्लोरीन चाहिए, 3 क्लोरीन चाहिए, राइट. 1 एल्यूमिनियम, दैट्स द मेथड, राइट. सॉरी मेरे मन में एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड चल रही थी, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव मेड दैट मिस्टेक. इन दैट केस ऑल्सो दैट सेम मेथड, राइट. इवन नीडेड दैट ऑल्सो आई विल शो यू द हियर, बट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस दैट. वो फॉर्मूला मैंने आपको बता दिया, राइट. तो कैसे लिखो आप इधर, तो ये मिल गया तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपको आराम से बना सकती है, राइट. सो एल्यूमिनियम आउटरमोस्ट शेल में 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, 1, राइट, 2 and 3 सेम साइड में दिखा रहे हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हाउ मच क्लोरीन यू हैव टू दैट ना शो हियर 3, बिकॉज एल्यूमिनियम को 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस करना है, 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन को लॉस करना है, और क्लोरीन को तो सिर्फ 1 ही ले सकती है, तो आपको 3 दिखाना है. तो देख लो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. आई विल गिव 1 हियर. नेक्स्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. एक को इधर भी दे दिया. 1 more, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. एक को इधर भी दे दिया, राइट. सो व्हाट विल बी दैट, एल्यूमिनियम +3 and chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. One I am showing here. I will put the bracket here. And what is that, -1. क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी -1 है, बट 3 क्लोरीन है. हो गया आपका फॉर्मेशन AlCl3. Here I already made the mistake. You have seen that aluminum, right, oxide Al2O3. तो इसी केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, I'm not going to draw that, you have to. तो इतना टफ वाला मोस्टली पूछती नहीं है. It's not that much tough also, right. एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड की केस में Al2O3 की केस में 2 एल्यूमिनियम लेना है आपको, राइट. बिकॉज यू नो दैट आप ऑक्सीजन की 2 ऑक्सीजन, इट मीन्स ऑक्सीजन 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स चाहिए. तो दैट्स 3 ऑक्सीजन एंड 2 एल्यूमिनियम लेना है, देन इट विल बी कंप्लीटेड. दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन शो, राइट. बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू शो इट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग. सॉरी, हियर 2 एल्यूमिनियम एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू शो हियर 3 ऑक्सीजन लेना है, राइट. For the time being, I'm not going to show it, sir. You can draw it if you need. If you are not getting, right, you can. If anybody want to that na see that electron dot structure of aluminium, right, oxide Al2O3, you can mention in the comment section. I will draw that too, right. Otherwise, you just practice yourself. You are not getting. You can just inform me in the comment section. I will surely practice that too. I will do that too. Okay, right. So magnesium oxide. How to draw that magnesium? Again I'm going to draw that magnesium oxide also here, which what I have mentioned here, the examples, it's most commonly asking example, that's why I'm mentioning here magnesium, right. So atom number 12, right, 2A2, right. Oxide, I told that if oxide chloride वगैरह है तो वो atom ही है, right. So here 8 2 6. So magnesium 1 2, oxygen 1 2 3 4 5 6. I think I have mentioned already, right. Sorry, magnesium oxide हमने already किया है, that's a mistake. I have repeated this. Nothing, I will show you once again. That's it. Magnesium oxide. Practice yourself, that will be more clear, right? You have to show that electrons also here, that will be completed that time, right? That's the method. Now I will show you some examples, questions. Most commonly previous years they have asked that, right? Write the electron dot structure for potassium and chlorine, right? So how will you answer that? Potassium. Read the question thoroughly, that's the first thing. So there are so many students are there, when they are seeing that big question they will simply leave it, right? बहुत सारे बच्चे बिना रीड करे ऐसे ही छोड़ देती है. बेटा वो कभी भी नहीं करना है, आप 2 बार क्वेश्चन पढ़ लो, आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा what they are asking, right? Write the electron dot structure of for potassium and chlorine. Potassium K, right? So here you can see that potassium ki atomic number 19, right? So here what is the electronic configuration? 2 8, right? 10 ho gaya, right? Now actually there are 8 and 1 electronic configuration. I think everyone knows that it's have a special electronic configuration. You have already learned outermost shell में सिर्फ 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन ही चाहिए, तो इसका configuration आ जाती है 2881, right? And chlorine, right? Chlorine 287, वो most commonly asking है, right? So कैसे दिखाओ आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर के and chlorine की आपको 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. This is the electron dot structure of chlorine and potassium. Show the formation of KCl by transfer of electron. कैसे दिखाओ आप इसको, just right? मैं इधर ही कर रही हूँ, you have to do it specially. इलेक्ट्रॉन डॉट स्ट्रक्चर दिखाना है तो इसका ट्रांसफर दिखाओ. सो नाउ K + 1 and Cl को 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and K ने दे दिया 1, राइट? सो हियर इफ यू वांट टू मेंशन दैट, हाँ थोड़ा सा बड़ा भी दिखाओ तो सो दैट यू कैन सी दैट -1 हो गया KCl की फॉर्मेशन, राइट? नेम द आयोन्स प्रेजेंट इन द कंपाउंड KCl. कौन कौन से आयोन है बेटा? आयोन्स है प्लस K and that means K plus ions and Cl minus ions. हो गया तीनों के आंसर, right? This is that. Very simple question, short, mostly asking question. You will get an easy mark. Next type of question about same. State the electron dot structure for calcium and sulfur. Calcium, sulfur. Calcium, atomic number 20, 2, 8, 8, 2. Electronic configuration, show it Ca. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन आपको दिखाना है. Sulfur, right? Sulfur. What is the atomic number here? Sulfur, you can see that, right? हमने aluminium, right? You have already learned that method trick also. I mentioned that, right? Aluminium 13 है, right? नाम that H Haley वाला ट्रिक मैंने आपको सिखा दिया था, जिसको एटॉमिक नंबर वगैरह अच्छे से याद नहीं है, you can use that also, right? नामक अल्सी पस्कल, right? ना अल्सी पस्कल, right? पस्कल देख लो, आपको इसमें भी आ जाएगा, राइट? सो कैसे भी आपको याद कर सकती है इसलिए, राइट? कुछ बच्चे बाय हार्ट कर देते हैं, बाय हार्ट करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैंने आपको ट्रिक्स पहले से ही सिखा दिया था, राइट? सो आई होप यू रिमेंबर दैट, राइट? सो हियर सल्फर 16 है, राइट? सो व्हाट इज दैट एटॉमिक नंबर, दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन यू हैव टू 2 8, राइट? सो हियर 10 हो गया, नाउ रिमाइनिंग 6, राइट? हो गया, राइट? अदरवाइज यू कैन सी दैट ऑक्सीजन सल्फर वगैरह सेम ग्रुप में आती है, सो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डायरेक्टली भी कुछ लोग को याद हो जाती है, सो दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज, राइट? इफ यू आर नॉट मेंशनिंग दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट इफ इट इज मेंशनिंग दैट रियली गुड, राइट? तो आपको ऐसे दिखाना है 1 2 3 4 5 6, यही दिखाना है. शो द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम सल्फेट बाय ट्रांसफरिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. देख लो, एक इधर ट्रांसफर करो, दूसरी ऐसे, राइट? सो इफ यू शोइंग, राइट? देख लो, अभी मैंने ऐसे दिखा दिया था, आपका पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन आपने इधर मेंशन किया है, दैट विल बी मोर कन्वीनियंट, इसलिए तो मैंने बोला था आपको समझ में आएगा किधर आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन को दिखाना है, राइट? इधर दिखा दिया तो देख लो कितना ईजी, आराम से बना सकती थी, राइट? दैट्स वाई. नाउ कैल्शियम 2+ एंड सल्फर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. 2- हो गया, right? Now one more question we will do that. Sorry, here also ions they are asking. Alright, in some question they are giving the atomic number, right? So here you can see that. Sorry, I have mentioned here oxygen. It's nothing but here sulfur itself, right? Here it is sulfur, right? So sometimes it is giving in the question paper itself. जिसको वो पता नहीं है तो आपको वो यूज़ करना है. नेम द आयोन्स प्रेजेंट इन दैट. आयोन्स कौन सी है, राइट? सो हियर कैल्शियम 2+ and sulfur 2 minus, right? That's it. Next question we are going to that, using electronic configuration. देख लो मैंने 3 टाइप के क्वेश्चन, अलग अलग क्वेश्चन ले लिया था. एक में ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन की बता दिया डायरेक्टली, एक फॉर्मेशन दिखा दिया था. ये क्वेश्चन में यू कैन सी दैट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन explain how magnesium atoms combine with the oxygen atom to form magnesium oxide by transfer of electron. This is also the another language of that same pattern. इसका सभी के आंसर सेम टाइप है, राइट. I just taken this question to understand, to make you understand the language of the question, right. So same question they are asking, magnesium ऑक्साइड हमने ऑलरेडी बना दिया था मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, यू नो हाउ टू फॉर्म दैट, राइट. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन, राइट. सो जस्ट चेक हियर, आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड दिस magnesium oxide here, right. This one is the answer. Do it yourself. I hope you understand this all things clearly. If you understand my video properly and clearly, if you are feeling it's really helpful for you, and please suggest to your friends also. Please subscribe my channel, like and share, and please press the bell icon for regular update. I will surely post the electron dot structure, how the formation of that covalent compounds, that means carbon and compounds chapter next. If it is really help you, please inform me that through the comments whether it is helpful for you or not. Thank you for supporting.